Good morning, everyone. We're on our way to.
I can't pronounce it.
Really, babe?
I can't pronounce it.
You should have told me what the name of it was. I probably couldn't pronounce.
We're on our way to our first state park.
Yay!
We were invited to go and spend a weekend with Bobby and Kim down in McRae-Helena. I don't know I know the name of the park, but I can't pronounce the name of the park. I know it's Little Oak or something. I'm gonna have to ask them when I get down there how to pronounce it. But as I'm saying this to you, I'll probably put it on the video like somewhere down here the name. But we're going to our first state park. So, we're hanging out with some of the Georgia RVers.
That's right, the Georgia RVers, baby.
So that's what we're doing right now. To you today from Little Ocmulgee State Park, and this is our site. We're at site number 12. It's a pretty large back-end site. Beautiful park. This is our first state park that we have ever stayed in, and I must say it is definitely a great place to be. We are enjoying our time here. We're out here with a few friends, enjoying the park, a little bit of festivities for this weekend. I'm very impressed. Now, we don't have full hookups at this location. We are just electric and water, no sewer. And it's 30 amp, but it's working for us. It's been raining out here. It's been raining out here for the last day or so. It's not bad because we actually get to enjoy ourselves. So this site, they have us set up with a fire pit. We're all gravel around here. I guess they're a pretty deep site. Picnic table. All the state park amenities, I'm assuming. And this place is wide open. They have plenty more room to add more sites if they ever wanted to. So we're going to take a little walk around here and really check out this park thoroughly and we'll let you know what else we find while we're out here. But so far, so good. We are definitely enjoying this. So thanks for coming along, y'all. Getting a little bit of sightseeing in. It's really nice out here, guys. It's really nice out here. Nice and quiet. Get out here with your boat, fish out here. Enjoy your day. Real tranquil type of thing going on. Nothing like waking up in the morning in the state park and seeing your friendly neighborhood deer. And they have a bunch of them out here as well. How many state parks have you ever been to and you've seen a miniature golf course? This park has a lot of stuff, a lot of amenities. And I'm telling you, this is something else right here. I can come over here and actually practice before I go down there and play around the golf. Oh, and by the way, this park also has its own golf course as well. Now this is awesome. Want to play a little beach volleyball? Not a problem. Little Ocmulgee State Park also provides you with a beach volleyball court so you can play volleyball. This park is also kid friendly. Over here they got a splash pad over here for the kiddos to come and do and check out. And over here they're working on the new playground they're getting put together for these kids. So you come out here with your family, you have plenty to do. Nobody really goes without having fun out here. It's a really nice setup that they're doing out here. You know, you have your little pavilion here. Parents watch the children while they're playing in this splash pad deal over here. To keep the kiddos cool. Yeah, this place is awesome, yo. This state park has its own boat launch and beach for everybody who wants to come and partake. Now, from what I'm told about this lake, they have gators in this lake. So they'll tell you right here, swim at your own risk. And I saw this right here. Ooh. Let's see here. Swim at your own risk. All right. We're at Little Ocmulgee State Park, and this is one of the cabins that they offer that you can come to and rent if you don't have an RV. And I'm gonna take you inside and let you check this out. I think they say they just renovated all of these. They got about 10 or 12 of these. We're going into number 3 right now. See what we're working with. This state park is gorgeous. So as we come in here, we have the common area, dining room area, rather large. You have the living room area with a big 70-inch TV here. And you have 2 bedrooms, right? You have one over here, and you have one here. So check out these bedrooms. Like queen size beds in here. 2 queen size beds. And oh, that's a nice size TV on the wall for this bedroom. Leads out to the porch outside. Has his own bathroom. Shower. Pretty clean bathroom, clean lines. Shower's pretty huge. Look at that. It's a big old shower. And she ain't no joke. Man, this place is nice. This place is nice, real nice. Yeah. You got some couples that want to come out and check this out. That's the fellas right there, Will, Bobby. They all through here, we all checking it out together. And this bedroom got the same thing. Queen size beds, queen size hookups. Doors that go out to the patio. We're gonna go out to the patio in a minute. This one has its own bathroom as well. Let's check this bathroom out. Does it match the same one? Oh, this one has a tub. Oh yeah, they real fancy in this one. It has a tub shower in this one. Tub shower combo. Yeah, she big one. Nice, real nice. Yeah. We're gonna find out how much they rent these things for, Bobby, you know?
I think it's like 3 something a day, but then you got 2 families in there.
Yeah, I got you. So about 300 some odd bucks a day, Bobby said. And this is your outdoor screen porch out here. Got Traveling Fred out here chilling.
What's up, baby?
Yeah. Yeah, got the other side of the porch over here. And this is your view out here, guys, at the lake. Man, this is really nice. Yeah. So to be honest with you guys, you get a couple people for this cabin and come in and put it in together. You basically, it pays for itself. Great weekend time. I have to catch up on the side over here because they give you a fire pit as well, picnic table, grill. Oh yeah. Central air. Yeah. Oh yeah. And if you're real good about it, you can go out here and get on this lake with your boat like my man over here, fishing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kimmy. Happy birthday to you. All right, we pulls up, and we pull up at Living Out Loud 1210's RV and Rig, and check it out. We got it laid out. Miss Cinderella has outdone herself yet again, celebrating Kim Cooper's birthday from the Overland RVers. We got a buffet about to pop off. And what is this? We have a fiesta theme. Hey! Why you laughing? That's right. This is off the chain.
It is.
So, Kim.
My dear friends.
Uh-huh.
I love you so much. That is so sweet. Just to think about me after the fact. Oh my God, it's just so. I want to thank.
Oh, hell. I mean,
Hey, she said she's thinking in the academy.
I want to thank everybody who made this possible today. First, I want to thank my Lord and Savior for being the head of my life, head of my house,
Amen.
head of everything.
Yes, Lord.
Thank you for the Black Power.
Right, yes? Don't forget that part.
And I'm just so proud of my dear friends.
Okay. All right now.
I have another speech later.
Well, I'm gonna say happy birthday to you, sister.
I'm pert near 100, but I'm proud of it.
She said pert near.
I'm closer to 100 than anything else. So.
Oh my goodness.
All to thank you, Living Out Loud 1210. Thank
Woo
you,
woo!
and Cinderella.
Woo woo!
This is gonna be the best weekend ever.
Yes, it is. Everybody.
tired now.
Yeah, I know. So we got everybody here. We got Traveling Fred. We got Fried Tuck. We got Miss Katina. She on the phone. She's real serious right now.
Okay.
Got Miss Crystal over here from Camping with the Calvins. I know I almost forgot our own name. And Mr. Will back there that's doing all the work. But he ain't saying nothing, but he's doing all the work. I asked you to call me, brother, but you ain't called. But yeah, we nice. Oh, this is nice. Hey. Mr. Busby. What's happening? All right, we got you. Oh my, we better get Fred right now. No. Fred, our big dog Fred, is always with us. Yes, sir. All right, we're gonna watch some of this football game too, but check us out. Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Kim. Happy birthday to you. Y'all know y'all the best group. I love y'all. Oh my God. You too, baby. Happy birthday.
Cut the cake, Kim. Cut the cake. Cut the cake, Annie. Make him.
Your eyes tell me that you don't want to leave just yet. No, my eyes agree.
Crystal and I want to give our thanks to all of the crew for a great weekend. Thank you to the Carolina Rollers, Katina and Steve. Thank you, Fred Wilson. My man Fred always coming through. Thank you to Living Out Loud 1210, Will and Cinderella. Cinderella put it down as usual. And last but not least, happy birthday to my girl Kim and her husband Bobby from the Overland RV Travelers. Thank you for the invite. We definitely appreciate all of it. Till next time, my friends, we will see you on the next trip. Safe travels.
We got a guest out here. He ain't playing. He walking slow. So we're in his house. Hey, Lee's about to take out the deer. His mama somewhere.
This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're my baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want.
Hey everybody, it's coming to you from Little Ocmulgee State Park. Enjoying the weekend. Hope you are enjoying yours as well. But trust me, I am.